Why did they remove the bells? Have you ever noticed how many old churches, cathedrals, and towers once had massive bells and now they're gone? It's not just an aesthetic choice, bells weren't just for sound. They were technology, spiritual technology, even. Bells have been used for centuries in temples, monasteries, and spiritual rituals across nearly and every culture. Because bells do more than just ring, they resonate, they generate harmonic frequencies that clear energy, shift consciousness, align brainwaves, and even affect physical matter. The shape, with the wide bottom, narrow top, mirrors the structure of a vortex energy field, the kind of pattern you see in black holes, human auras, Earth's magnetic field. This isn't random, it's geometry with purpose. In the late 1800s and the early 1900s, bells were taken down from old towers, bell towers were gutted or closed, new buildings were made without them. And it wasn't just in one country, it happened globally. Some believe these bells weren't just ornamental, they were frequency devices built into the architecture to balance energy, raise vibration, and even heal. People believe they could have been used to harmonize the frequency of entire towns, block vibrational interference, tune human consciousness. But when the world shifted into industrialism, war, and tech-based living, did these frequencies now become a threat to the new system? Were these bells ancient knowledge that was silenced? Many ancient cultures understood the power of sound. The Egyptians used sound healing in temples. Tibetan monks still use singing bowls and gongs, all tuned to sacred frequencies. And in the West, they had bells that were massive, precision cast bells that rang across cities and could be heard for miles. They were attuned to the natural harmonic series, which modern music no longer uses. Research even shows that certain bell tones align with alpha and theta brainwaves, which links to creativity, being calm, meditation, intuition. So, what if these ringing bells were gently nudging people into spiritual alignment every single day? And what happens when that sound is gone? We already know that sound is much deeper than what we're told. And the real question is, why were they removed? Even as historical landmark, what stopped resonating when they went silent?